Welcome to another Power BI visualization tutorial. Today we have this vertical data set, from which we want to compare the sales of each year. This is the chart that we intend to create. For this, we need to transform our data in Power Query Editor. And along the way, we will incorporate this comparative visual into a nice beautiful dashboard. First of all, go to the Data pane, and click on the Excel Workbook button. Open the data set, and wait for it to be connected. Select the table you want to load in the Navigator window, and click on the Load button. Wait for the data to be loaded into the Data pane, after which you can use it for visualization. Add a text box to your report, and enter an appropriate title for your dashboard. Turn on visual borders for your text box. You can also add rounded corners for better appearance. Add a line chart to your dashboard, and place it at the top left corner of the dashboard. Add the sales field to the y-axis, and the date field to the x-axis. Remove the day, month, and quarter from the date hierarchy, keeping only the years. Turn on the visual borders, and set the rounded corners as well. The best practice is to use same visual appearance for all visuals. Create a duplicate of the line chart, and replace the date field with the subcategory field. Convert the line chart to a pie chart or a donut chart. Add the category field to the dashboard. Change the visual to the old slicer. Turn on the visual borders, and set the rounded corners. Now, what we really want to do is to compare the sales of all 4 years in a line chart. To do that, we need to go to the Query Editor, and create a duplicate of the sale table. Just right-click on the sales table, and click on the Duplicate button. Now, we need to add a column, extracting years from the date column. Enter year in the name field, and extract year from date field, using date.year function. Click on the OK button to add the column. Now, we need to add another column for months. Enter month as column name. Use the date.month function to extract month from the date field. We also need to convert the months into text format using number.toText function. Format the month to 2 characters. Click on the OK button to add the column. Remove the date field now, which we don't require anymore. Select the year field, and go to the Transform tab. Click on the Pivot button to convert years into column headers by selecting Sales as Values. Now we have 4 columns for each year, with sales as values, for comparison. Click on the Close and Apply button to load data into the Data pane. Our duplicate table is here, with years fields, just as we required. Create another copy of the line chart, and place it below the existing one. Remove the sales field, with the years fields, from Modified Sales Table. Replace the date field with the month field. Sort the data by month field. Sort the data in the ascending order. And now we can compare the sales of all 4 years on a single line chart. Copy the line chart, and place it in the right bottom corner of the dashboard. Replace the month field with the subcategory field. Change the line chart to a bar or column chart. There is currently no relationship between both tables, therefore filters from one table don't work on the other. We can change that by creating a relationship in Model View between category fields of both tables. Now our filter should work on visuals created from both tables. And with this, we end our tutorial today. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials and updates.